so me no tax reformer me pese me de ba no import duty, the alignment of import duty. Nananom import duty no so a high thing. And many problems ho predictability no na any ho. Ubetimi akra niema. Now at the time I ukra niema no udwen say ubetua 5,000 cedis. Niema no be du pe na okoyi a na mo aka njire o say 10,000. Na uplans na asay utua 10,000 na ukojoma gisa udi price no eka ho enye sa ontumi nya osika entime interest wa na yesizi niema no na yakoton for 2,000 na usika ashe enti me pese me di predictability eba import duty no enti some predictability na me pese me de ba no me pese ye import duty no so on a flat rate in cedis. We have to start respecting the cedi right from the port. In cedis, flat rate in cedis. Enti we spare parts dealer. Now, the spare parts a bar from magazine who crash spare parts. We per se a 40-foot container, we must have a flat rate. So if it's 20,000 cedis for a 40-foot container, a 20,000 cedis. A bedu at any time, utria 20,000 cedis. Right off the bat. That is the flat rate. A 20-foot container, a 10,000 and now a ricer. Now this rice 40-foot is this, 20-foot is this, a chicken. No, everything will have a flat rate. Now, sano predictability because predictability ni honinti. Every time the okojomana tika akaho bi price na akofro so inflationary bias be eba from the ports into the market. Some predictability no bar, there will be less price increases in the markets because you have stability in the import duty. Inti na medeba. Second reform me pese medeba in the import duty regime no ne saying ushe enea Togo omo duty at the form chewing saying Ghana. Togo Lome Port omo duty at the form saying Ghana. Inti nipa bebre say omo di containers e fa Togo na omo aklei na omo smuggle aba Ghana. Yentua duty no wo Ghana ye kotua wo Togo. Inti me the new policy be eba. Sa new policy no is simple. Ghana import duty will not be higher than Togo import duty. It's the same or lower. We will cap the import duty in Ghana to the Togo import duty. Yeyene sanwa smuggling no bejai. Nobody will have an incentive. Say omodibeko to no modiaba. Said ghost workers no mo disappear no. Sano ana smugglers no so omobe disappear sa. It's a simple policy. We'll cap it and then when it will make it very very easy